Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking for my guinea pigs. If you're only following me here on YouTube, then you may not know that I have two guinea pigs named Roti and Samosa, obviously named after Indian food because, I mean, you guys know how much I love Indian food. And I've been getting so many requests to make a video showing you guys how I make dinner for them or lunch for them because our guinea pigs are not just any guinea pigs. They are high quality, like, fancy guinea pigs. They eat vegetables twice a day. They are super fancy. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make them some food, and in this video we are cooking for my pet guinea pigs. Are you ready to see the most epic guinea pig house in the history of the world? There you go. Here is a full 16 square feet. Oh my god, I just scared Roti by screaming. Here is a full 16 square feet of guinea pig household, guys. This is probably one of the biggest guinea pig houses on the market. Oh my god, I literally feel like this is one of those like house tour videos that you see like Vogue do. This is definitely like one of the fanciest guinea pig houses ever. Okay, let me give you guys a little tour of their house. Okay, so as I said, 16 square feet. It is 4 by 4. And they are living large. So over here in their first cage, this is kind of their big open area for them to run around in. We have some pellets over here, which is one of their foods that they eat. They have a little place to lounge over here, and these are supposed to be hammocks that they're like supposed to sit on, but they don't do that, so they just sit under them. Then the other side is where we have more going on. This is our latest purchase for the guinea pigs. We actually got this as a Hanukkah present. This is a second level. Oh, here are the pigs. Here's Roti. Roti, you want to say hi to the camera? Hello? This is the second level that we just got, and they are absolutely loving it. So I think this now makes them more like have like 18 square feet of room. Oh, there you go. Roti just went up there. And up here is where Roti eats his hay. So we put all their hay and food up here, and the rest is for them to just hang around in, to get their water from over here, and they love to hide under here. But Roti is not camera shy at all. Roti, come here. Look at this. He loves eating. Oh, and Samosa is also poking out his head. Okay. Now that, whoa, oh my god, my camera's falling. Now that you guys got a little tour of their cage, today I'm going to show you guys how I make their breakfast and dinner, and they're actually really smart. So once I open the fridge, they're going to start squeaking, and I'm hopefully going to get that on camera. So let's go to the kitchen, and I'm going to show you guys how loud they squeak the second that I open up the fridge. Okay, let's go in the fridge. All right, so that they hear it, I'm going to open it a few times. Oh, do you hear that? Do you guys want food? Oh my god, they're so excited. When they hear the fridge open, they literally go crazy. All right, guys, I'll go get you food. Let's go. Let's get them some food. It is now time to cook for the guinea pigs. All right, here we go. All right, so I know we're cleaning the house to film this video because it's Hanukkah, it's kind of crazy, and I did not want to clean up the whole kitchen. So I'm out here now on my porch, but it is literally 25 degrees outside right now. So I put on a coat, and I'm going to prepare the guinea pigs their breakfast this morning. Okay, so as I mentioned, we have fancy guinea pigs. So they don't eat like normal guinea pig food. They eat gourmet food. So on the menu today, we have some arugula, some baby carrots. Oh my God, this apple just fell down this ledge. We have a Granny Smith apple. We have some baby spring mix with baby spinach. We have some red pepper. And finally, their favorite dessert, some blueberries. And I'm just basically going to cut it up into some nice guinea pig small size pieces. And we're going to make them the best breakfast salad that they've ever had in their lives. When I look back at this footage, it kind of looks like I'm super not excited, but I promise I am. And that is is really it. This looks like a good serving for the guinea pigs right over here. So now let's just kind of mix it up. I mean, they don't really care how it looks, but I mean, this is kind of like a balanced diet. I mean, look at this. Like, we have our greens in there. Let's focus. Come on, camera. We have our greens in here. We have the red pepper. We have carrot. And this is a perfect breakfast for the guinea pigs. Okay, so now I'm gonna go set the table because we're gonna do like a fancy guinea pig breakfast for this video, and then it is eating time. I'm sure they are absolutely starving. Okay, let's go inside. As if this meal couldn't get any fancier, I had to set them up a fancy serving right over here. Let's hope my parents do not watch this video because my dad would not be happy that I'm using our fine china for the guinea pigs. But I mean, they are that fancy. We also have some forks and knives that they're definitely not going to use, and some wine glasses, but they're underage, so there's no wine in these. Okay, let's go at the guinea pigs, and it is time to eat. I also forgot to mention, I changed into a fancier shirt because I feel like it goes with the mood. Okay, let's get the pigs. Roti and Samosa, is now time to eat. There we go. It is now time to eat. Guinea pigs, here is your breakfast. Okay, oh no, Samosa, stop. Okay, Samosa is a little bit shy when he eats. He likes to run away, but we're not gonna let him do that because Samosa, you gotta eat on camera. You gotta learn to be, not be camera shy. I mean, fun fact about these guinea pigs, they are actually not just any guinea pigs, they're celebrity guinea pigs. They have an Instagram account with over like 2,000 followers, something crazy like that. I haven't posted on it in literally months, but you can go follow them. Here's their Instagram. It's at Roti and Samosa. So yeah, they love to eat. Every day they eat about two servings of food, one at night, one in the morning. And yeah, this is just fancy. Okay, I'm gonna let the guinea pigs eat, and then we'll discuss at the end if they like the meal. I mean, it looks like they love it. Roti's a much faster eater than Samosa, so usually he'll finish his plate and probably start eating Samosa. Samosa, you gotta pick up the pace. Oh my God, I just scared him. All right, let's let them eat. Samosa, stop running. This is what I'm talking about. Samosa gets here. You know what? Let's do something that Samosa will be happy. Samosa only likes to eat when he has a house over him. So here's a little hut for him so that he can now feel safe while he's eating. Samosa, are you now more secure with yourself? Yes? Okay. Samosa will eat under here. All right, so after a few minutes, they kind of got a little tired eating out here, and they just ran back to the cage. They love their cage. So I guess we'll just pour the food onto their terrace. Samosa, come up here. There's food here, and they'll just enjoy the food from here, which is where they usually like to eat. Samosa, come on, go upstairs. There's food. Go, go, go. Upstairs. They're not exactly the brightest animals in the world, so it'll take them a few minutes to figure out where the food is. All right, so while the guinea pigs finish eating the rest of their breakfast, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. I've been getting so many requests, so I hope you guys are satisfied with this video and you got a little sneak peek into what Roti and Samosa's lives are like. It's basically filled with eating, pooping, peeing, sleeping, and getting ticked off at each other because they always piss each other off literally 24/7. So if you guys have not already, be sure to click that big red subscribe button down below. I'd love to hit 10,000 subscribers before New Year's. That would be super cool. Also, get ready next week. I'm making on Monday the perfect steaks. They are the best steaks that you'll ever have, and Roti and Samosa are vegetarian, but for those of you who are not, you're not going to miss this video, so stay tuned Monday. And if you haven't already, be sure to click that red subscribe button. I already said that. What am I saying that again? Click that like button down below because the guinea pigs are the cutest people, or guinea pigs in the history of the world. And comment down below, what is your pet? Have you ever had a pet? Do you currently have a pet? And what is their name? I want to know. Okay, this was super fun. I'm going to go clean up the mess I made for making these guinea pigs their breakfast. And it's Sunday. I'm going to go take off this fancy shirt because on Sundays, I just want to be in a t-shirt or sweatshirt. Bye.